Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to do a new assignment. The name of the assignment is MOS22 WD Project1 Horse. I am a professional. If you want me to do this assignment or do this complete course for you, then you can contact me on my WhatsApp, Gmail, Instagram ID, which is given below in the description. I am a professional. I can do my MyITLab courses, Cengage courses and Simnet courses for you like Microsoft Excel, Access, PowerPoint, Word, Math, Stat, Business Math, Accounting, Finance, Writing, Technical Programming. If you want any assistance related to these courses, you can contact me on my WhatsApp, Gmail or Instagram ID, which is given below in the description. So let's start the assignment. So we will go to steps perform in instruction. In first it says open Word downloaded file, which we have downloaded the instruction file, enable editing, and then it says save the document as last first project this. So we will save it as last first. In last and first we will be writing the student name. So you can write your last and first name here and save it as it is. Okay, so now we will go to step number 2. In step number 2 it says turn on non-printed formatting marks. Change the style of the first line to title. So here we will start to title. Change the style of the second line to subtitle. It's to subtitle. Change the font of both the title and subtitle times New Roman. Okay, so let's move to step number 3. In step number 3 it says select the first line, change the uppercase, change the case to uppercase, bold the first line, uppercase, bold the first line, change the font size of the first line to 20, center the title and subtitle, press enter after subtitle. So in fourth step it says insert text from this file with the exception of the title and subtitle. Change the font of all. So we will first go to insert. From here we will object text from file, and then we will insert text from here. Okay, time New Roman 12 points. So we will select from here to end, then we will change its font to Times New Roman with font size of 12 point. Change the following headings to heading 1 style. So we will be changing these headings to 1 style. Introduction, physiology of horse leg, purpose of bandage, types of bandages, types of bandages and wraps, conclusion to heading 1. Heading 1 star. Change the following headings to heading 2 style, which are shipping exercise, which are shipping exercise and competition, treatment, general purpose wraps, and general purpose wraps, special purpose wraps, to heading to star. I am a professional. If you want me to do this assignment or do this complete course for you, then you can contact me on my WhatsApp, Gmail, Instagram ID, which is given below in the description. So with the exception of the title and subtitle, double space or text, and remove any paragraph spacing. So we select all, then it says double space all text, double space all text, remove any paragraph spacing, include a first line indent, for all text except the title and subtitle. Remove indent from all headings. 1. The indent from heading 1 and heading 2. So modify paragraph none. Remove first line indent from headings 1. Here go. So in 7th step it says change margins to 1 inch top, bottom, right, left. Margins to 1 inch top, bottom, right, left. check the document for spelling and grammar errors. So check document for grammar, spelling, errors, make any correction necessary, not to spell, so ignore the such as remove the comma, ask hands and select the net a comma after, so pen to find each occurrence of the word operators to place the first three occurrence arrangement, leave the last occurrence. Use navigation point pane to find the occurrence with the operators. So first three occurrence with arrangements. First three. One, two, and three. First three. Second, and leave the last occurrence. Okay. Use find to navigate to the word forms in the psychology forms. Psychology. Okay. Insert a footnote after the period. After the period, insert a footnote. This is this. Revise the footnote style and apply times near mine. Okay, we will style footnote modified time news remains and 12. Current. Then we will go to step number 9, in which it says apply a solid round bullet to the groups of paragraphs in the purpose of bonding, beginning with cut scraps. Cut scraps. Skin irritation with plastic food wrap. Lameness, stiffness and favorable. From here to here we will apply solid round bullet. Solid round bullet reduce the indication, so we will reduce its indication so that the bullets begin at the left margin. So in step number 10 it says apply a check mark bullet to the group of paragraph in the treatment section beginning with this ending with plastic food wrap. Check mark bullet. Check mark bullet. Reduce the indication so that it begins left mark. Define a new bullet so that it define new bullet. Check mark or bold. Okay, if you want me to do this assignment or do this complete course for you, then you can contact me on my WhatsApp, Gmail, Instagram ID, which is given below in the description. If you liked the video, do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you and see you in next video. Hello everyone, as you can see I have done this complete course for one of my students of my lab IT lab, and he got amazing marks in this course. If you want to obtain these marks, then or you want me to do this complete course or assignments for you, then you can contact me on my WhatsApp, Gmail, Instagram ID, which is given below in the description. I do my MyITLab courses, Cinegage courses and Simnet courses. If you want me to do these courses for you, then you can contact me on my WhatsApp, Gmail, Instagram ID, which is given below in the description. Thank you.